If you have a drill press and you want to use it for woodworking, you're going to realize a couple of problems right off the bat. The table's normally too small. There's no easy way to clamp your work down, and they don't have a fence that you can repeatedly make holes in the same place when you're batching parts out. So I'm going to build a drill press table today that's going to address some of those problems. I have an upright drill press, but if you have a bench top, you can easily adjust the measurements and the size of this table to work with whatever type drill press you have. My initial plan is to go with a table that's 30 inches wide and 20 inches deep. That might be a little too big, but I can always trim the edges off if it's too big for me down the road. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by cutting a piece of 3/4 plywood to size. First thing is with the fence. You'll notice that it pivots a little bit. A drill press is just like a router. The fence does not have to be 90 degrees to the table because it's a single point from the fence to the bit. So the fence can be angled slightly. That's why I didn't worry about getting it set up so it was always 90 degrees. I also added these flip stops so I can, to the right or to the left, have a positive stop, and then you can just move them out of the way if you need to. And then my backup plate here, I have it off-centered from the bit. So when I do drill into it, I can just take it out and turn it, and I still have usable space. And if I don't drill too far, I can flip it over. I got these European style hold downs pretty inexpensively. I did have to switch the bolt out because the base of the bolt that came with it, I think was set up to work with the Festool system or something like that. I don't know, but I like the way these things operate. They pivot real easily and you can slide them anywhere you need to in the track. As I showed you during the build, I have my T-track spaced out so my metalworking vise will fit right in there and I can bolt it down wherever I need it. And with this quick release button, I can easily clamp something down right where it needs to go. Never drill metal without having it clamped down. I still have one major problem with this build, and that's that I can't raise and lower the table or unlock it with this table on here. I have a solution to it, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so when I put out that video soon, you'll be able to see what I did to make it so I can raise and lower the table without crawling around back behind there to move it up and down.